Hey everybody, Mikhail Duji with Duji Realty.
And I'm here, Ali Duji with Duji Realty, bringing you the market update from the month of December 2023 until third quarter
January
2024.
Yeah.
Happy New Year. Nicely done. Overall, the market information that we're seeing has some mixed signs. I'm going to be covering the month or the region of Vaughan.
And I'll be covering Richmond Hill for today.
Which is just a small segment, but it talks about the overall marketplace as it pertains to the York region. In the market, what we're seeing that overall prices are starting to climb up in certain segments. The detached market in December was at an average sale price of $1.5 million for the market of Vaughan. That's moved up to about 152 in the middle end of January. Similarly, also the freehold townhomes prices have climbed up quite significantly from an average sale price of 1.116 to 1.125. The days on market, however, have also increased, both going up to about 40 days on market. What that means for me, Mick, is that people are starting to see higher prices and they're starting to wait a little bit longer until they realize those price points that they're able to get. What are you seeing for Richmond Hill?
For the market update for the town of Richmond Hill, we're seeing detached properties go up slightly in price from 1.65 to 1.70. Days on market increasing from 38 days to 55 days. For freehold townhomes, we're seeing something a little bit different to what we saw previously. Freehold towns from 1.19 to 1.14, so a slightly downward tick in the price. Once again, an increase in days on market. From 25 days to 46 days. For condo townhomes and semi-detached homes, we are seeing something a little bit similar, more days on market and price relatively going up for the month of January. So all in all, I feel like sellers, they're waiting for that right number. They don't mind waiting a few more days extra on the market to make sure they get what they need to get.
And I mean, the Bank of Canada signaling, we're expecting another pause coming in near the end of the month. And that's only going to signify to sellers that, prices are going to start to go up. So they're going to want to be able to hold off and capitalize on the asset that they have, right?
You think interest rates will probably go down this year, or?
I definitely believe that's going to happen, and that's what all the signals are talking about.
Yeah, all the signals are also showing that the inflation rate is to be going down to around 2 to 3% by the end of the year. So
that's going to be exciting.
Yeah, that could signify more money in people's pockets to hopefully spend on.
Absolutely. Absolutely. In terms of listings, so active listings for the detached market in the city of Vaughan, they've gone down. In the month of December, there was 230 active listings. For third quarter of January, we're at 215 active listings. Semis, they've remained about the same, about 14 on market. Freehold townhomes, again, from 51 to 52, so relatively no change. And condo apartments have dropped as well from 229 to 227. Now, when we're out there in the marketplace and we're going to go see these things, it's important to note, especially in the detached market, that's a lot of the times the buyers we're working with, they're looking to move up from their towns to their detached. And we're seeing that there's not enough of inventory that is ideal inventory. Those good homes, those homes that we feel comfortable living in, putting our clients in, and there's just really not that much good inventory out there. What is available, we are seeing is going quicker, is selling better, and is selling at a higher price. And I believe that's what's causing the price increase that we've seen both in the city of Richmond Hill, both in the city of Vaughan, to go up, not significantly, but to go up, which shows a positive momentum. What are you seeing?
Typically, we see this in the end of the year from December to January. And I'm assuming that if stats are going to remain the same from previous years, the spring market should mean that there will be more inventory. Clients will be able to get the sort of asset class that they're hoping to move into.
All in all, buyers, sellers market, balanced market, what's your take?
I think we're moving into a buyer's market, looking at the months of inventory. Definitely a buyer's market was what we're seeing currently. That could change, but from December to January was looking like a buyer's market.
I am predicting, and we're going to see this in the comments. We're like, oh my God, of course you're going to say the market's going up. You're a realtor. And you know what? To those people that are going to say stuff, let them say stuff. They say what they say.
It's just the data.
It's just the data. I do believe that given what happens with the Bank of Canada, with the interest rates, which we are predicting to get paused and then go down, is what everyone is telling us is expected to happen. And I'm going to believe with that, that will signify the end of the increase in rates and the drop in price, which will further stretch the dollar that everybody has
Yep.
and being able to borrow and buy up,
Exactly.
right? Ali Duji,
Mikhail Duji, Duji Realty. Thanks for tuning in today to the market trend update, and hopefully see you next month.
let's hopefully, and let's maybe do, if they want to have more information, want us to go more in depth.
There is a ton of other information, but
so much
we
out
don't want to
there.
get too much into the nitty gritty of everything.
I don't enjoy that like super like data presentation.
Yeah.
I really, being active realtors, I think it's important to just explain to our viewers what we are seeing,
Yeah.
and does the data corroborate with what we actually believe is the beat of the market, right?
100%.
Pleasure. Thanks guys for tuning in.